loquacious. We're gonna get right into the action. Pick these up on Nike on the sneakers app. I wouldn't call it a shock drop. I probably call it like a Nike members access only. One thing I hate about them is they always find a way to take the box one way, but the shoes come in upside down. So give me 1 second, all right? And yeah, all right. So we're back. All right. One more thing. Let me get rid of this box. All right. These are the Air Jordan 1 Low, Gem Red, Black, White, size 14. Retail price $90. Stock X prices, blah blah blah. Hype, blah blah blah. Reverse Bred, blah blah blah. Anyway, I'm glad that these finally dropped on Nike, so I wouldn't have to pay $130 for some lows. Not gonna get into whether they should have the Nike Air on the tongue or not. The good thing is, they're size 14, they're black and red, and they fit. The quality is just like on the mid Chicago's, the ones with the black vamp, not toe. This is your toe, whatever. Looks pretty good to me. It's the left shoe. See if we can get some visual. There you go. Boom. It's the left shoe. Yes, there's not a lot of enthusiasm in my voice because YouTube has spoiled a lot of us. We're seeing these shoes a lot earlier. Just this light, just a tad. That should be a good shine. There we go. That looks so much better. So YouTube has spoiled us with seeing these shoes about 2 or 3 months ago. I'm a very small channel, but shout out to Mike Rich. I think he was the first one that I seen with these. I believe he said this particular pair of Air Jordan 1s dropped on Foot Locker or Foot Action. No one saw it. Figured as much. He also reviewed the white and gem red joints too, which I thought those were fire, but unfortunately, I'm not paying $150 to Stock X for some lows. They have to be rare or something. Looking at this pair, pretty standard Air Jordan 1 Low, leather. Can't tell you if it's good or bad because honestly, I have not worn them yet, and I think a lot of you should get that out your head about being able to tell if something is of great quality by, you know, looks. Okay, you see this right here. Not a whole lot of throwback, right? But when you wear them, they're gonna crease nicely. Not sure what else to say about these except it's a bit disappointing that the Air Jordan 1 Low in the black and red colorway, a very world-renowned colorway. Those right there. While I talk my shit. The Air Jordan 1 Lows, in my opinion, still does not get the love that it truly deserves. I have no issues with the Jumpman being on the tongue. I have no problem with the wing logo on the back because it's all a part of the same background. But we should have had additional laces. I'm sorry. These shoes, they're cool, but when they switched this up, when they brought what's normally here at the toe black to here, and what's normally red to here, that changes the whole outlook of this shoe. A lot of you know, see the YouTubers, you know, try to hype these up, but the truth is, these should have gotten additional laces. That's just me. There's just something dope about having a new pair of ones and it comes with additional laces versus having to buy a bunch of pairs of laces. Looking at the shoe from afar, I was kind of shocked that these came so fast. I think the drop was on Tuesday, and it is Thursday, so these shoes did not take long to ship. But I am seeing a couple of flaws. That looks like a scrape in the paint. But you know what? They're not getting sent back. And I'm not gonna bitch and moan about glue stains because it shows that this shoe was put together in order to stay all in one piece. That is kind of a sloppy job. Don't get me wrong. That left shoe has a very sloppy glue and paint job. However, these are not going back to Nike. These are as good as kept. These are as good as gone. If these were the OGs, nah, they still wouldn't go back. I'm sorry, y'all. This vid should not be that long, but something is throwing me off here. Hold on. I'll be right back. I know what's throwing me off, y'all. It needs some different laces. So, I think in conclusion of this video, I think I'd rather have a gander at how these would look if I were to put some different laces in. And then we're gonna knock it off. Alright? You guys take it easy. Have a good one. Stay safe. Peace. I like that. Those laces, by the way, are from the bloodlines. They didn't even fit in my pair, so this is perfect. Now these, I don't know. That looks kind of fresh too. I think I'm gonna keep it just like this, just for the shock value. Turn a bit like this.